In this video, you will learn how to make an AI book appointments for you. First, we need to ensure the AI is connected to the software. Go to Settings, then Integrations, and make sure one of these integrations is connected. For now, we are going for OpenAI, which is already connected. Next, we need to ensure we've connected our Google Calendar. Select the email ID that you want to connect. This is where the event will be created for you. Make sure all the services are checked, then click Continue. Once the appointment is booked, it will create an event on your Google Calendar, which is why we connected Google Calendar. Next, we need to add a custom field. A custom field is where information is stored. Whenever an appointment is booked, the information will be saved in a custom field for a particular contact. We need to add a custom field, so let's name it Book a Call and ensure the field is for date and time, then click Continue. Now we will create the appointment itself. Go to Tools, scroll down, and you'll find Appointment Scheduling. Click it and create the appointment. You can name it however you want. Continue. And you can also add a description for the appointment, and you can select multiple timings for a particular date. But for now, we'll keep it as it is. You can also select the time zone. You can choose if it's an in-person meeting, a phone call, or even an online meeting. If it's an online meeting, you can provide a meeting link. For now, we'll select Phone Call. In this section, you can create a flow, and make sure you select the appropriate flow. Once the appointment is booked, it will trigger that flow. If the appointment is canceled, it will trigger that particular flow as well. You can easily set multiple reminders, which will automatically be sent to your contact. In the restrictions, you can easily select how long the meeting will be, how long people can schedule appointments with you, how many users can attend each appointment, and set a daily limit. Once done, click Save. Now, we need to create an AI trigger. An AI trigger informs the AI about the appointment event, allowing it to check available times and automatically suggest options to the customer. Go to Settings, then Integrations, and select the OpenAI. Then navigate to AI Triggers. You will see the schedule appointment, but we'll edit it according to our needs. Click Edit, then select the custom field you created, Book a Call. This is where you will choose the appointment that you created earlier. Next, we'll ask for their name, full name. This section saves the data into a custom field. Also, ask for their phone number and email address. You can connect any flow you want after the lead is collected, and it will activate the flow automatically. You can also send a message once the appointment is booked. Click Continue. Now we need to ensure that we add a prompt instructing the AI to book an appointment whenever the user requests one. Go to Settings, Integration, and then OpenAI where we have added our prompt. You can add a section labeled Important Information and include a command. Whenever a user wants to book an appointment, make sure to ask for their name, phone number, email, and their preferred time of appointment. This is the prompt we're providing to the AI so that whenever a user asks to book an appointment, the AI knows to collect this information before proceeding. Make sure the trigger we just created, which is in AI Triggers, is selected, then click Continue. Now, let's test how it works on Instagram. We'll start with a normal conversation. Where are you located? What are your services? All right, it's providing the full list. That's good. I'd like to book an appointment. All right, it's asking for the name, phone number, email, and preferred time, because that is what we specified in the prompt and the trigger. Now, I'll enter the name just to show how it works, but I won't provide the rest of the information yet. The AI will ask for the remaining information and then proceed to book the appointment. So the AI has asked for the remaining information. All right, now we have it. That's the phone number. So, how about 3 p.m. tomorrow? Great. Once the remaining details are provided, the AI will check the availability for the preferred time. All right, it has checked that 3 p.m. is not available and the available timing is 8:30. Great. 8:30 on July 17th is fine. All right, the appointment has been booked and it will obviously send reminders as we've set. 1 day before, 1 hour before, and 10 minutes before. So that's how you book an appointment. Now, if you check the inbox, you'll see the conversation, and you can easily create a new appointment if the user wants one. You can also communicate from here. The email and phone number are saved in a custom field, as well as the appointment details. You can also add a note and a tag. If you click on the booked appointment, you can cancel it from here. Even if you only have the appointment link, you can click on the inbox, and it will take you directly to the conversation where you can view it. Thank you for watching.